she was. Good job.
That for quite a while.
Man, that was a big fish. Hey, Brittany, smile.
Dad, you want him?
And you're grunting like an old lady. There, I saw a color.
What color was it?
Great.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, nice. Nice little short.
Got Izzy?
Can't tell yet. I think he's more of a bull or a sand.
He just lost it.
Oh.
I had tension too.
Yeah.
Hang on for a minute.
Well, he's loose.
Very loose. Actually, you might not believe this.
What is he, yeah?
Got a white anal fin.
Is that a black tip?
It almost looks like a black tip.
Oh my God, he's got that thing sunk in there.
All right.
Well, I haven't even seen him yet.
Oh, nice.
Is that a keeper?
He's a black tip.
I'll fillet him if he's a keeper in the fountain.
I'll just hold it. Well, I guess I won't hold it right there.
Okay.
Don't go under the boat. Thought he was done for, but
No, he's not.
he got his second wind.
He does on his back pectoral. I don't see black.
Oh yeah. So you think he could be a bull?
Well, he could be a black nose. They got black
Wanting to
tip.
go under.
Black nose, they're a good eating.
No, his back is pretty dark.
Yeah, but
I'm not
it's
saying
his
painted black.
the bottom fin,
All the tips are black.
except
I seen it look about black there when he spun.
yeah, I guess he could be a black tip.
Be good eating.
Where do you gaff him? Well, first off, do I have to throw a shark back?